Come on, mommy.
Ooh,
Come
ooh,
on.
Big. I seen him.
Oh.
He big.
He's big.
He got a big one.
What?
I wonder if he got a gas. Why don't you get him up? Yeah. Oh, you pull it back again.
That's my line. We're gonna get it. Boom.
No, don't say that. Then it's right. Oh, he running again?
Yeah.
God, that ain't no red. I'm telling. I mean, that ain't no drum. No drum don't run do that.
I know the drum gonna get.
They get tired.
tired.
That's probably a red. Or
Huh.
either something else big you got. Marlene, you videoing it?
Uh-huh.
But you gotta stay on mommy. Just don't get excited when you get close, baby.
Oh, right there.
Oh, yeah,
What's
that's
that?
a drum.
Oh.
A drum.
Oh man.
Oh.
That's so big.
Bring this way, bring
Take a picture, Nitler.
So then take a picture.
I'm videoing.
Wait, let me get a picture.
Oh.
Oh, gee, that's so big.
Oh.
Ow.
Probably the same one. You got a big one, baby.
With all the hook in the mouth.
Oh, Jesus.
Bring
Oh,
it this way.
gee, come on.
Come on. Oh, we're showing
You
up.
see
We're
that?
showing
You see
up.
that deer? Oh, you fighting for your life, huh? We gonna let you go, baby. Just come on up here. I don't want to grab it. I don't want to cut my hand.
Oh, she got really swallowed the.
Yeah, she did.
It's getting. Can I put that over there in the side?
You
We're
want to bring
gonna
him
put
over
your
there?
bag.
Yes.
But you gonna have to. She want to take a picture of it, baby. Let him go this way.
The picture, come on.
You got the video going?
Uh-huh.
Just walk down here. Go out with it. He's bored out.
Come on.
There's no slipping.
Darling, come on. Oh, gee.
You want me to get it, baby?
That
Oh,
is
you still videoing? Yeah, cut your video and take a picture.
Oh, gee. Babe, I can't.
I'll get it. I know what you got, me.
Oh, gee. Ah.
Yeah. You gonna post that? Yeah, take a picture with